Hey friends, if you encounter Windows 11 black screen bad system config info error, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you one thing about this. This error is with the operating system and the solutions won't be easy, but we will still try our best before reinstalling the operating system, which will be the last option. So the first solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to the recovery application. Select open system restore, select a good recommended restore point and click on next and then on finish and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. The next solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checklist scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Okay, and the last solution is obviously to reinstall Windows, because if we have tried everything and it didn't work, then the last option is to reinstall Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery and then you can click on reset PC. Select remove everything. Select cloud download. Don't select local install, select cloud download and then click on next to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.